Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? Welcome back. Today, we're going to delve deeper into the QQQ ETF. We previously shared a report on our website on Wednesday, January 24, 2024, but now we have an even more comprehensive analysis to share with you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During these 13 days, QQQ has exceeded our expectations by delivering a gain of 7.33% since our initial recommendation to buy. This means that, on average, the stock has generated a daily return of 0.56% since it was classified as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk in the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction as it could go either way. In the short term, the ETF is currently in the upper part of a narrow and strong rising trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is likely. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $429.84, which would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected potential change of 16.9% over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 12.42% and 18%. The 12-month trend shows a projected change of 33.59% over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 16.22% and 39.38%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $494.91 to $593.51 after 1 year. Our latest update for the QQQ ETF is here. The headline reads, QQQ ETF downgraded from buy candidate to hold/accumulate after Wednesday's trading session. On Wednesday, the 24th of January 2024, the QQQ ETF price increased by 0.555%, going from $423.48 to $425.83. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if the ETF can continue this upward trend or if it will take a small break in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the ETF's price fluctuated between a low of $425.33 and a high of $429.85, a difference of 1.06%. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 of them, resulting in a 4.95% increase over the past 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded on the last day also increased, which is a positive technical sign. In total, there were 14 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 46 million shares bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $19.68 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $429.85, while the lowest price was $281.18. Currently, the price is 0.94% below the 52-week high, standing at $4.02 lower than the peak of $429.85. This price point also represents the all-time high for the ETF. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for QQQ, an ETF. The QQQ ETF shows positive indicators from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals indicates a general buy signal, as the short-term average is higher than the long-term average. If the stock experiences a downturn, it will find support at the $417.42 and $405.16 levels. However, a drop below these levels would trigger sell signals. On Thursday, January 4, 2024, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 7.46% increase so far. The stock is expected to continue rising until it reaches a new top pivot. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also suggests a buy signal. The increasing volume along with the rising price further strengthens this positive technical signal. Today, I want to share some interesting signals with you. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently showing a buy signal. Another indicator to consider is pivots, which gave a buy signal 14 days ago. Bollinger Bands, on the other hand, provided a buy signal just 1 day ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we have a sell signal that occurred 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 15 days ago. It's worth noting that the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 54 days ago. Now, if we turn our attention to the 12-month chart, we see some interesting trends as well. The short moving average gave a buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 56 days ago. And the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 43 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ, an ETF, has an interesting support level at $421.18. This level can potentially present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. This ETF typically demonstrates controlled movements and has good liquidity, resulting in a considered low risk for investors. In the past day, QQQ had a price range of $4.52, which accounts for a 1.06% fluctuation. Looking at the last week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 1.07%. Before we explore the potential good trading levels for QQQ, let's start by understanding some essential fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio may indicate a lower expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a buying opportunity. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for QQQ. Currently, there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating a potential swift upward movement. This presents an opportunity to enter a position and utilize volume indicators to determine the optimal exit point. On the flip side, QQQ faces its first support level at $421.18. If this support holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $407.96, which represents a decrease of 4.2%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk profile. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 is currently at 88, indicating increased risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom detected 13 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? While QQQ holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. At its current level, it would be more prudent to consider it a hold candidate or accumulate position, as we await further developments. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. On Thursday, January 25th, we anticipate QQQ to open up $1.17 and begin trading at $427. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts with us. Also, don't forget to let us know your target for the ETF. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's dive into the analysis and wish you successful trading ahead. Have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.